Pool.
Pool.
The pool is full of swimmers.
The pool is full of swimmers.
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
The lifeguard watches the swimmers.
The lifeguard watches the swimmers.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
I bought a new swimsuit.
I bought a new swimsuit.
Goggles.
Goggles.
She wears goggles to see underwater.
She wears goggles to see underwater.
Swim cap.
Swim cap.
He wears a swim cap in the pool.
He wears a swim cap in the pool.
Towel.
Towel.
I need a towel to dry off.
I need a towel to dry off.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
I wear flip-flops around the pool.
I wear flip-flops around the pool.
Float.
Float.
The child uses a float to stay safe.
The child uses a float to stay safe.
Pool noodle.
Pool noodle.
She plays with a pool noodle.
She plays with a pool noodle.
Kickboard.
Kickboard.
He practices swimming with a kickboard.
He practices swimming with a kickboard.
Diving board.
Diving board.
He jumps off the diving board.
He jumps off the diving board.
Deep end.
Deep end.
The deep end is very deep.
The deep end is very deep.
Shallow end.
Shallow end.
Children swim in the shallow end.
Children swim in the shallow end.
Lane.
Lane.
Swimmers practice in each lane.
Swimmers practice in each lane.
Lap.
Lap.
I swam 10 laps today.
I swam 10 laps today.
Splash.
Splash.
The kids make a big splash.
The kids make a big splash.
Swim trunks.
Swim trunks.
He wears blue swim trunks.
He wears blue swim trunks.
Locker.
Locker.
I keep my clothes in the locker.
I keep my clothes in the locker.
Changing room.
Changing room.
She goes to the changing room.
She goes to the changing room.
Shower.
Shower.
Everyone takes a shower before swimming.
Everyone takes a shower before swimming.
Water slide.
Water slide.
The water slide is very fun.
The water slide is very fun.
Whistle.
Whistle.
The lifeguard blows the whistle.
The lifeguard blows the whistle.
Safety ring.
Safety ring.
The lifeguard throws the safety ring.
The lifeguard throws the safety ring.
Underwater.
Underwater.
Fish can swim underwater.
Fish can swim underwater.
Swim stroke.
Swim stroke.
He learns a new swim stroke.
He learns a new swim stroke.
Backstroke.
Backstroke.
She swims the backstroke.
She swims the backstroke.
Freestyle.
Freestyle.
He is fast at freestyle.
He is fast at freestyle.
Butterfly stroke.
Butterfly stroke.
The butterfly stroke is difficult.
The butterfly stroke is difficult.
Breaststroke.
Breaststroke.
Breaststroke is my favorite.
Breaststroke is my favorite.
Pool rules.
Pool rules.
Everyone must follow the pool rules.
Everyone must follow the pool rules.